Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a flower pot or a small pot at home for sowing the seeds. So usually these are the paper napkin and or paper towel. So once it will be done, we get this kind of circle, cardboard circle, or so, and we usually throw them, but here I'm not throwing this time. And I collected these two from different paper towel, and I have some more from the small paper towel, and here it is, some drawing is also there. So what I will do, I took another cardboard, here you can see, and I put in this cardboard, make a small circle with the pencil, and then I cut it using scissor. So, and then I will use this to cover at the bottom and tape it. So like this. So we need only one more tape. So you can see one side is open, this side, and this side is closed with the paper cardboard, and I will put one more tape so that it will be really not come out. So now this my soil pot is ready. Similarly, I will make other pot like this one, and I will show you later on. And next is, I will remove these from here. Next I have this soil, and this soil is mixed with the sand also, which is very good for the sowing the seeds. And here I have some compost. So and I will mix this with the compost also. So usually like a half soil and then half compost. So now I will fill this first with the soil and then with compost, or you can mix already here, that will be much better, and then fill this with. So now you can see this is your small pot is ready for planting, sowing the seed. And here I have, these are the, I will show you this, these are the sweet basil, big basil seeds, which are the green in color. So I will put only two of them in one of them. So one is here and another is here, and then again I will top with some soil and this top soil, compost, and add some water. So, and I will show you that I have already made this kind of soil for sowing the seeds here, and you can see I added all these only basil seeds in this one, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So out of 12, so far 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 have planted. And once they will little bit grow, then I will transfer into another one. I will show you. So, and now I will make some more, and so I need to add some water here, and then I will keep it in the sun, so that after 3 or 4 weeks they will start germinating. The seeds will start germinating and will come out in the small plants. So these are almost 3 to 4 weeks plants I already earlier sown, and you can see some of them have 2 of came, and most of them only 1 came. That is why I added 2 seeds in each of them. And I think this is the easy project for the kids also, so they must learn how to grow the plants, and I will show you in the near future that how they are growing, and then how we will transfer, and then I will make some more small pots with these. I cut them in equal distance, almost 3 inches and or 2.5 inches, and will make a exactly same type of soil pot, and will add basil seeds. Okay, and I will update you as they will grow in soon. Thank you. So now you can see I have cut all these small pieces, and after putting a cardboard at the bottom side, you can see it's closed now, and then we are adding some soil with the compost, and then store seeds in each of them. And then I will top this with some compost. So please, and then I will make others also in the same way. Now you can see how many I have made today. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 I have made with a paper roll towel, and now and each have 2 seeds, and now I will add a little bit more water on the top of them. So, and then I leave them here in the sun, and we'll see how many they planted, how many roll seeds will germinate. I think this is a very good kids project, so kids must learn, and this is small project. They can learn about the plants germination and seed germination and plant growing. Okay, thank you very much. I will update you after some time.